Hi everyone, we're Group 2. Our team consists of Carol Chen, Xiaohui Xu, Si Zhang, Aileen Zhou, and Yilin Zhu. Today we'll present our final project, introducing the service opportunity we identified and the solution we developed. The Ravenous Tauti is a Sichuan restaurant known for combining Chinese cuisine with anime and cosplay culture. So our target users are young ACG and cosplay enthusiasts. We identify a key opportunity here. Like summer is the restaurant's busiest season, but it's also when many student employees leave for travel. Customer satisfaction with the service is currently low. Many online reviews mention extremely long waiting time, staff chatting while customers are left waiting, and also the basic services such as providing water, menus, or plates only happening after repeated reminders. The restaurant's current solution is to hire additional part-time staff during busy periods. However, it doesn't address the root problem. Since most employees are university students, they are unavailable during the summer. As a result, customer demands increases while staff availability decreases, creating a gap that temporary hire alone cannot solve.
So this is our baseline blueprint. It basically walks us through the clinical service flow step by step. It starts with the customer getting a paper menu and writing their order down on the blank slip. Then the service grab that slip and tie everything into the system by hand. After that, the customer just sit and wait for the food to arrive.
So, coming to the user research part, we conduct two user research. The first one is the contextual inquiry. The second one is the secondary research. To fix the restaurant experience, we ran a contextual inquiry during the peak hour. We shadowed 4 new customers, 2 staff members. We observed their physical struggle, error, environment quietly, and then asked them immediately the target question about why this situation happened. Our first finding: customer constantly forgot to write down the spiciness level they needed on the order slip, and the waiter have to double check with them and killing the efficiency. Why? Because the attention dropped after picking the dish. We have to redesign the visual of the form to prevent this problem occurring. Finding 2: forcing customer to write down the food code leads to typo, wrong food, and food waste. This violates the principle of recognition over recall. The solution is simple. Offer the checkbox menu or provided a QR menu that user can scan. Let the user handle the code. Finding 3: customer just walk away because they cannot find a pure vegetarian or no spicy main dish. It is a backstage kitchen limitation, but we still have some chance to improve that. We can highlight all the no spicy dishes and the dedicated vegetarian dish. Finding 4: waiters cannot get a printout with the quality of the rice they needed for the customer, so they have to double check with the manager or the customers. This can be make a chaos. The solution: we have to make sure every waiter get a printout with the quality of the rice. This should be run. Finding 5: lost paper get lost or ruined by oil in the peak hour. It can be cause the mix-up orders and the chaos. To fix that, we have to switch to the sticky label or install the digital screen to show the order number.
In secondary research, our first thing was operational efficiency. Research shows that faster kitchen workflows reduce waiting time and improve customer satisfaction. So we identified backstage efficiency as our first opportunity. Our second thing was customer experience. Haidilao shows that entertainment and personalized service can make waiting more enjoyable. We saw an opportunity to turn waiting into part of the experience. So our 2 key findings were reduce actual waiting through better options and reduce perceived waiting through immersive experience. Together, we can create a faster and more engaging dining experience.
4 of our 5 findings sits on the order, not the kitchen. So at the menu, guests who cannot eat spice or meat, they just leave. At the order, spices goes on written and codes got copied wrong. When the food is ready, tickets get lost and the delay is made on paper. Now 0 new hires, we fixed the information instead. Checkboxes instead of hand copy codes. A spice reminder besides every dish, rice on every printed slip, a label that travels with the plate, and the menu, a green label and a vegetarian combo. Phase 1 costs nothing. Phase 2 is print rules and labels. Phase 3 is screening at the pass. And here's the honest part. The findings tells us where the order breaks, not how many minutes it costs. Baselines come first.
Now let's look at the improved blueprint. As you can see, the flow is much smoother. The customer now uses a simple chatbot form with a clearly label. We completely remove the menu data entry in the back stage, and instead of just sitting there, the waiting stage is now filled with the front stage cosplay interaction before the food arrives.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you for listening.